Why is it necessary? Why is it necessary that you should go into web development? Is web development a worthwhile skill to learn? Are you actually going to make money learning being a web developer? Is it a worthwhile adventure? Let's look at it. I'm going to quickly give you just open your eye a bit. What you are going to gain if you become a web developer. Okay, number one, if you become a web developer, as a matter of fact, you're going to make money. Yes, you're going to make money, but you're going to make money if you are ready to promote your skill and get clients. Okay, one good thing about web development is it's one skill that you can do little and earn much. Okay, you can do a project in 2-3 days and earn hundreds of thousands from it. Isn't it a worldwide skill? People work for months without earning up to 100,000. Then you can do a job for just a few days and still earn up to 100,000. So I think that's a reasonable, something reasonable to go into, right? Good. So sure, making money, you're going to make money from it. But please be aware that you're going to work for your money. You're going to promote your skill. You're going to learn digital marketing. That was why we are ready to introduce you to digital marketing first, before even introducing you to other aspects of web development. Because we want you to learn how to promote your skill digitally so you can make the money. Are you getting me? That's one. Then okay, let's talk more about this making this money. If you want to promote your skill, if you actually want to make money as a web developer, you are number one. Once you learn digital marketing, you learn how to promote your skill online. You should target people that has the money to pay. Target professionals like lawyers, doctors, engineers, professors, businessmen that has the money. Okay, don't target startups because they don't have the money yet. Okay, so you want to target professionals. You can also target churches, pastors, okay, priests, okay, those that has ministries, okay, NGOs. Target them in your Facebook ads. They will pay you lots of money. Are you getting me? So from there you make money. Do you get that now? That is one. Then you are going to use that skill to power your passion. Just like me, myself, I am a passionate person. Okay, I love talent development so much. And right now, as a web developer, I now have a website for talent development. Okay, that I'm now using to power talent development. I want to help young people develop their talents. Okay, so the website is a kind of a voting website. It's a voting website where people will upload their talents. They will upload their talents and invite their friends to come and vote for them. The first, second, and third person will win prizes. So that's how I built the website. I built the website myself because I have the skill. If I don't have the skill, then I have to pay thousands of naira, hundreds of thousands for someone to do that for me. That makes sense, right? So that is what I'm talking about. Web development skill will help you it will power your passion. I'm also passionate about love, marriage, and relationship. So passionate about it. Presently, I'm building a dating website. I want to help young people, especially good Christians, good ladies and guys. There are good ladies. I found out that there are some good ladies that are finding it difficult to get married. Even those that got married made mistakes of marrying a monster. Many of them marry monsters and they are unhappy. You get me? Many are regretting their marriage because nobody actually coordinated them into getting the right person. So I want to use this website to coordinate, to bring together good ladies and good guys so that they will mingle, got married, and live happily. That's my passion as well, and I'm building a site for that. Do you get that? So I'm also passionate about teaching. I love teaching so much. If you've known me, you know that I love teaching. You get me? So I'm passionate about teaching, and I've built an online institute. And that is what I'm introducing to you today. Okay, where I teach web development, graphic design, apps development, digital marketing, Microsoft Office, and many other ICT courses. Do you get that? So you see how I've been able to use it to power my passion. I'm also a writer. I write books. I've written about 8 books, and I've built a library, online library, okay, online bookshop, okay, where I am selling my books. I sell my books online. Okay, all these things I did them myself because I got the skill. So you can use that skill to power your passion. Okay, if you don't have it, you might not have the money to pay every web developer and web developer to develop all these things. And some of them might not even do good jobs for you. You might have wonderful idea, but you don't have a good web developer to help you do that. But if you're a web developer yourself, then you can be able to create a picture in your mind. Right now I'm into marketing, digital marketing all my products. Now I'm building a marketing system in my website that I can now send bulk SMS through my website. Okay, I can automate most of the things in my website. I now have all my clients categorized. I have customers list, I have students list, I have so many other prospects lists in my website. So it's easy for me to just go there, take their contacts and use it for my marketing. Everything simplified with my skill. Do you get me? So I have heroic ambassadors, those that are helping me to promote my business, and I have everything coded in my website that's coordinating them. I don't have to pay for them. Do you get that? So you see what I'm talking about? So that's what you're also going to gain as a web developer. I hope that makes sense. The one more thing is this: if you become a web developer, you are going to I've said this before, you are going to pay not little or nothing to enjoy some internet tools. Let me explain. You can go online, you see maybe a particular internet resource, internet tools that you can use to achieve one result or the other. If you're a good web developer, all you need to do is just to study that to see how it works and see how you can code it by yourself. Because most of these tools, most of these internet tools that helps businesses simplify their activities are costly. They are costly. Okay, and most of them they pay monthly. Some pay $60 monthly, $70, $100, $150 monthly. Okay, to have access to it. Okay, so you see, it's so costly. If you convert $50 to Naira, it's so much. $60 to Naira, it's so much money. Okay, but what if you're a web developer? You can code that in by yourself, and they use it without paying any dime. Do you see what I'm talking about? If you are not a web developer, you might not afford to pay for those tools, and it will be denied you. Okay, so as a web developer, you just go online, study some tools, and build it for yourself, and use it to simplify tasks for yourself, for your business. You can also build it for people. Like one example is landing page. Landing page, you can build landing pages for people. Instead of them going online to pay every month to use a kind of landing page, you can build it and they will have lifetime access to it without paying anything anymore. Do you get that? And you charge them to do that. You can also do that for yourself. Like I've done lots and lots of landing pages for myself and for other people as well. You can now see that there are so much you are going to learn. Okay, you can now see that there are so much you're going to learn if you use if you learn web development skill. There are so much more. You can even work for people online. You can work for people outside Nigeria, especially in this COVID-19. No, this COVID-19 is actually affecting our normal way of life. Okay, so if you are a web developer, you have the skill, you can work for people from any part of the world. Okay, so your job is not restricted to Nigeria again. Okay, you can work for companies. Companies can employ you on part-time basis. Then you work for them. Okay, then finally, if you're a web developer, you have the chance. Your chances of getting good employment is higher than someone who doesn't have it. If you have in your CV that you're a web developer and you are an ICT consultant and that you are also a digital marketer, because the moment you become a web developer, the moment you become a student, we are going to give you access to our digital marketing courses for free. So you become a digital marketer and a web developer at the same time. And with these two skills, you become employable. When people see these two skills in your CV, they are going to be excited about it. Because they want to employ you to do maybe a particular task, then they will also use the opportunity to use it for you. You can also use the opportunity. They can also employ you to also do some other tasks like updating their website, helping them in digital marketing of their businesses. You get me? So it will be very useful to them. So they will comfortably employ you and pay you, especially in this part of the world, in Nigeria, where job is very, very difficult to get. So you being a web developer will open doors, of opportunities for you to get those jobs that our people are struggling. I hope that makes sense. There are so much more opportunities, my dear. I think I have to stop here. I've talked so much. Okay, so I would advise you, don't waste time. If you love web development, stop wasting time. Go straight away, make payments. Let's teach you. Okay, let's build it up. Let's see how far we are going to go together. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm Uche Joe. I'm the founder of Heroic Universal Concept International. Let's do it together. Thank you so much.